Hi guys, today we have MacBook A1543 EMC2746. We're gonna replace the battery on that one. Sorry, I just started the late video. I have already opened the screws. Like these big screws go here, and like the four small one go here, and the two small one in the middle they go here. The only thing that you have to do is like put this one in, like lift it a little bit, and then you can slide this through, and that's all. So there are snap-in clips, but now there is another thing with this type of MacBook. This is the different one, you can see. So there are cables that those we need to detach. Okay, so this is like not like other MacBooks. We cannot just open the lid because the battery is attached to the lid. So what we are gonna do is I'm gonna hold it like that, and I'm gonna show you if you can see. You see now this is disconnected, and now what we can do, at least we can move to this part, and this is what I can show you here. I'm gonna hold this one up, and there are some screws that we need to open, and either you can disconnect this from here, this thing, and this guy is gonna be attached here, so we will have to open those. But let's see.
We can take this one out. I'm going to put a little alcohol so that we can lift this cable, and so this is the LCD. Let me see, how does it go? I think this is open. We can pull this guy up here too. And then what we can do is simply slide through this widget and make sure we don't rip the cable off. Okay? Let's flex it out. Already delicate, so
Just need to make sure. Okay, that's all. There was an adhesive here, and now the next thing is clipping this one off, right? This has been detached completely. We can put it on the side. Now the next part is we can disconnect this cable as well. Okay. Now you see we are able to lift the board. Okay, so here is the battery. So what we can do is we can use like this type of tool to remove the adhesive of the battery. To cut that, we need to cut that adhesive. so finally I think we can remove it now. You see this adhesive, like this is all cut from here. Okay, we are going to get the new battery. So this battery, this one comes in, and you can do all the steps as well. That's good. It comes with one suction cup if you need it. I don't know. 2 screws, 1 spudger, and 1 battery. We don't need anything else for now. The only thing that we need is this guy, the battery. We will try to see if it fits properly, and that's all. Okay, all set. Put this side first so that we put rest later, and just make sure we press it properly so that it gets connected to the bottom. This one back. We have to slide this one through this, and then here you go. Let's see. Now try to turn this guy on. So we got the Apple logo. You can see that. It took a little while to turn on. Okay. Okay, now here, go to System Preferences. Battery health. Okay, so last charge, battery, enable power nap, every battery status and menu bar here, using, that's all, I think, that's it. Okay, so let's put all the screws back.